It's raining so badly that it might get like flooded completely and we might not even reach back
It's
home.
torrential weather. You don't say it's raining badly.
It's raining terribly.
You have a bad English.
I went to like government school now. I don't know about you and all your fancy education and all, but I can't help it now. I know what I know.
It is raining badly.
It is raining very badly outside. It's going mental, the rain. Crazy. It's just dropping.
Did you see how Anushka accepted her reality and did not let her colleagues bully her? As human beings, we are constantly evolving, but the first step towards evolution is acceptance. The key to effective and impactful communication is confidence in yourself. When you are confident, you are more likely to stand up for yourself and others whenever needed. You can clearly and assertively express your thoughts and ideas. You are much better prepared to handle difficult conversations and disagreements as well. Effective charismatic communication is about connecting. It's not just about knowing. Everybody has knowledge, but it's how you communicate that matters. Hi, I'm Pallavi, and if you are somebody who's struggling to become that effective, magnetic, charismatic communicator, join my free masterclass, and I promise you, we will go from boring to electric in just 2 hours. Sign up now.